Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start our SQL series. Our goal with this SQL series is to make learning SQL simple and easy way to all of you. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to brush up on your skills, this series will guide you step by step to understand and master SQL. So to start this important of SQL, it is important to understand what database and how they work because SQL doesn't work on its own. It interacts with databases. That is why in this first video of the SQL series, we'll cover the basics of databases, database management system, and what is data and how it works. So we'll cover all these key concepts like data, databases, types of databases, and the role of database management systems and the types of databases. So coming to data, data can be simply defined as any information that is stored digitally, like messages on WhatsApp or product details on Amazon. Simply, I can say that data can be anything. It can be text, it can be images, or even multimedia files. So here are some examples that are messages and multimedia on WhatsApp, products and orders that we all see the products and order on Amazon, right? So that is also one sort of data. And contact details in telephone, in our phone, the contact details, these are also called as data. So simply data is a sort of information that is stored that is simply called as data. Coming to database, what is database? A database is where the data lives. So simply we can say that it is not just a random collection. It is organized schematically to make it accessible, manageable. Imagine it is a virtual filing cabinet where every piece of information is placed in a specific folder, right? So in similar way, database is an organized collection of data, so that is known as database. Coming to database management system. Now, organizing data in one thing, but efficiently storing and accessing it requires the database. That is simply called as a software that is used to easily store and access data from the database in a secure way is called as database management system. So, what makes database management system so powerful? What are their advantages? Let me discuss. For the first and foremost thing is security. Security is very important coming to any aspect of our lives, isn't it? So for data, it is more important that to store our data in a more secure way. So the first advantage of database management system is security, so that your data is safe and protected. And the second one is ease of use. That means it simplifies data handling even when it is being updated constantly. Even the data is generated within seconds, right? So even though the data is generated within seconds, it provides a simpler way and update data and it gives you within seconds to use. Third one is durability and availability. So it ensures that data is always available to you no matter when you access it. So if you want to place a order on Amazon, so if it takes a lot of time or a lot of reloading happening on the website, if you want one order, isn't it looking nice? No, right? So this availability of the data will be more when you use the database management system. It helps to access quicker and it available to use very fastly whenever you need. So last one is the performance. That nothing but it makes accessing data fast, whether it's for applications or stakeholders or the people who use. So there will be quick accessible to everyone who use database management systems. Coming to types of databases, there are different types of databases based on how you want to organize data. If you want to organize data in tabular format, if you want to organize data in key value format, so there are so many types of databases that are available. Based on your requirement, you need to choose the one of the database. Database can be categorized actually into two main types, as we know, relational or non-relational. As you can see here, there is a relational database, analytical database, key value database, column family database, graph database, and document database. These are types of databases that you can use when you want to store the data. Coming to relational databases are nothing but organizing data in the form of tabular format. So these relational databases use tabular format, think rows and columns way. Like a spreadsheet, you see, accordingly, same as in that way, it stores data in a tabular format. So relational databases organize data in tables. Each table represents a specific type of information, make it easy and relate data. Here the main point is each column in the relational databases should be of same data type. If you think you store name here, you store age and you store place of that person. If you write names here as the column name is names, you write ages of that particular person and the person who lives you write here, right? So all these three types, the column wise, all these three names should be of same data type. Do you understand? The name should be data same data type, that should be either integer or string or boolean, something like that. It should be of same data type. So if name is in the string in the first column, then the followed second row and third row of the name column must be of strings in relational database. If age is written with a number, then the second row of age and third row of age should be of same data type. That should be the integer. Like that, every column should have same data type for the relational databases. But there is no need of same data types in the row wise. It can be here, it can be string, here it can be integer, here it can be string. There is nothing problem with that, but coming to column wise, it should be of same data type. I hope you understand. Okay, now coming to non-relational databases. These non-relational databases on the other hand are more flexible. They store data in non-tabular format such as key value pairs, they pair or documentation type or graph or column family, but not a tabular format. So these are four types, as you can see in the figure displaying for you. These are the types of non-relational databases. These in these there are examples are Elasticsearch, CouchDB, DynamoDB, MongoDB, and so on. These are the non-relational databases examples. These are better suited for scenarios where data doesn't fit nearly into tables, like handling multimedia or IoT data, where these data doesn't fit in particular table format. Right? Then this visualization can be done by non-relational databases. So hence, this is all about introduction to databases, part 1. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into the SQL, starting with basic queries and moving to advanced techniques. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. If any comments, doubts are there for you, or anything we need to improve, you can just comment below. We are happy to see your comments and reply to you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy learning.